First graders, welcome to part 2 of week 5, and we're going to do some writing now, so make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. And at the end of part 1, we worked on these words that have become sight words for us. We see these words so often in print, we want to be able to just look at them and know what they are. These are the words that are inside our homework folder to practice on flashcards. We worked on this word in video 1, and we said this is the word for, and it has that little word or in it. Okay, let's quickly read through these words. Ready? Here we go. For, his, to, from, have, I. All right, get your board ready. We're going to try writing a couple of these words, okay? So the first word that I want you to write is the word for. Go ahead and write the word for on your board. Okay, let's see what you have. For starts with f, and then we have the little word or inside it. This is the word for. This is different from the number 4, right? So you may have seen this in your classroom up on your number wall. That's the number 4. This is for, like I'm going to go to the store for chocolate, maybe. Okay? So different meaning for this for. Right, let's try another one. Let's do the word from. From. Now say it slowly to yourself so you can try to get all your sounds in there, okay? All right, go ahead and let's write it. Okay, if you need more time, go ahead and press pause, and then when you're finished writing, you can join me back on. So, from is written like this. Remember, this is one of those words that we want to know just by looking at it. So, you might have relied on your memory for this one. It starts with the consonant blend for, so we have a for, but the O is making the sound, right? And then we hear from. So if you were just sounding it out, you might have written it like this. Because if I sounded this out, from, does that sound like from? Yes, it does. But is that the way we write it? Nope. So if you wrote it that way, it's okay. But put a line through it or erase it and go ahead and write this way, F-R-O-M. Okay, let's try one more of our sight words. Let's do the word have. Ready? Go ahead and write have on your board. And if you're not done, press pause. And for the rest of us, let's look and see, did we write have this way? Now this word actually looks like have, right? Because if you know the silent E rule at the end, it looks like this word would have E silent at the end and make it the vowel say its name, have. But we know when we see this word that it's the word have. And we just have to remember to put that silent E on the end, and it doesn't change the vowel sound. So we have have, and then we have our E at the end. Okay? All right. Let's write a couple words using our SH sisters. Remember we worked on that in part 1. SH says shh. So let's write the word fish on our board. Okay, let's do the syllables first. So we have the word fish. Let's pound out the syllables. Ready? Fish. One syllable. Let's count the sounds in fish. Ready? Sh. 3 sounds. But remember, sometimes it takes more than one letter to make a sound, right? Okay, everyone write the word fish on their board. And if you need more time, hit the pause button. Otherwise, let's see what we have here. We heard fi. So we have a F and an I saying fi. And then what 2 letters make the sh sound? SH, fish. So fishes, say it with me, let's spell it. F-I-S-H. Now, what if I wanted to change fish to fishing? Don't erase, just add here what you need to make this word say fishing. We have fish. How are we going to get fishing? Okay, add it. Add that sound. Ready? We had to add ing, right? Ing says ing, fishing. Good job. Okay, let's do one more word. Let's do the word splash. Ready? Splash. Okay. How many syllables? Splash. One syllable. What sounds do we hear in splash? We want to take this really slow so we get all the sounds. Here we go. Splash. Splash. 5 sounds. All right, let's write it. Splash. Say it slowly to yourself as you write down the letter sound so you don't miss any. If you're not ready yet, just hit pause. If you are ready, we have 3 consonants in the beginning of this word blending together to make spl. So we can hear each one of them, right? Spl, spl, and then what 2 letters will make the sh sound? SH, splash. Good job. All right, let's read a few words together. Now we just wrote this one, right? So we would quickly know this word. It is fish. And here we have the word fish again with that ing. So this is the word fishing. When we look at this word, when we get ready to sound it out, look at those first 2 consonants blending together there, S and W. What's that going to say? Sw. So let's take sw and blend it right into the I. Swish. And that SH is going to make one sound. Sh. So what is this? Swish. Look at this one. I'm going to let you sound it out by yourself. We've got that SPL blend in there again. Go ahead and sound it out. That's the word splish. This is the word that we wrote together. What do we have here? Think about it. Sound it out. It's the word splash. Take a look at this word. Remember that CK makes one sound. We only hear that sound one time. K. This word is dock. How about this one? Sound it out together. Ready? We're going to blend these first 2 sounds together. Bass. Bass is a type of fish. Look at this word. Blend those first 2 sounds together. What's the word? Wish. Okay, take a look at this word. Sound it out together. Chest. What word? Chest. Remember when we're sounding out our words, we want to keep those sounds going. We don't want to stop in between the sounds, right? Now look at this. We have chest again, but then we have the ER at the end. Remember, we know that ER, IR, and UR all say, put your foot on the brake. So this is the word Chester. All right. Thank you for joining me, first graders. Part 3 is a story, and we're going to work out some comprehension questions, and the story is about wolves. So hopefully you'll be able to join me. Bye-bye.